is so cold here today. Oh. Hi. Hey guys, it's Anita here from Flower Folk Farm. I hope you're all doing really well. It's actually been quite unseasonable weather at the moment. We're experiencing a real cold snap, which is quite unusual for this time of the year. It's mid-November here in Victoria, Australia, and normally by now we're starting to have temperatures start to heat up and everything starts taking off in the garden, but that just hasn't happened at the moment, unfortunately, and it's really slowed things down here at the farm. But I thought it might be a good opportunity to show you just how my new bees have settled in the new hive that I caught. And I'm also going to plant out some really amazing seeds that were given to me by one of my YouTube subscribers, Wendy, and they're really special seeds. They are her dad's last crop of Gramma pumpkins, and he has since passed away, and it's going to be a real honour to be able to plant those out and see if we can get those going as a bit of a lasting legacy to him. Okay, I'm just going to lift the lid and you can have a look. Ooh. Oh wow, look at that comb already. Oh my goodness, they're super happy. They're doing well. All right, I'll pull the frame up. I'm not seeing any brood. Okay. Hello, darlings. So you can see there's capped honey there. Yeah. Good girls. Yeah. There's a queen in there. Just zoom in. She's just gone down under. Okay, so that hive inspection didn't go quite as planned. The bees aren't doing as well as I thought initially. Unfortunately, there's not one single cell of brood, which is really concerning. So I'm going to save that for another video and talk about that and show you a little bit more. But yeah, stay tuned for that one. So Wendy, thank you so much for these seeds. They're really precious, and we're going to sow them today. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I've put potting mix in the cells, and I'm just going to put seed raising mix on top just to save a little bit of money. You don't need to use seed raising mix the whole way through. Just a little trick that I got from Kathy at Little Garden Big Dreams. We'll get our seeds, and I'm actually going to keep the worm castings juice because we'll actually water them with that at the end. But I'm just going to do this with my fingers and then just go for it. And we're done.